Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adib Bazri bin Sharifuddin, and we are from a group of 5, which is Amirul, Akib, Zulhazi, Shahid, and me myself. So in our project, we're gonna explain about finite state machine. So what is finite state machine? Finite state machine is a computing machine where it has a fixed set of state, which can be a fixed set of input or fixed sets of output. So if you look at this picture here, so this is an example of finite state machine. So it has a fixed set of input and a fixed set of output, where it shows a limited space of memory, which is defined by finite on the name itself. So basically, it is a computing machine where it has limited space of memory.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Joazik. I will talk about the characteristic of finite state machine. So first of all, finite state machine doesn't usually refer to a physical machine. It could, but it don't have to be, because finite state machine is an abstract concept to model simple computation and decision making. So it could or could not be physical object. Now, the thing about finite state machine is that whatever the input is, there are two results. Either the state stays the same, like as you can see in this video, it goes from on to off. Sorry, not that one. It goes from on to on. Okay, the state stays the same. But of course, on this machine, with this input, it stays on. But on another machine, so the input is still the same. You could get different output. Like this is another machine, goes from on to off. Same input, but different output. That's because the main characteristic of finite state machine is that the new state depends on the current state plus the input value. So both of those are taken into account. For demonstration, the best example would be this ballpoint pen. Currently the state of the pen is that the nib is retracted. So when you press the button, which is the input, you get the output, which is the nib getting extended. That's the output. So the current state of the pen is that the nib is extended. So the next time you press the button, this current state will be taken into account. So when you press the button again, like in this video here, the nib will retract. It will change its state. So yes, that's the characteristic of finite state machine. The new state depends on the current state and the input value. That's for the characteristic of finite state machine.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Shahidi Birusli, and today I will be presenting the representation of a finite state machine. Okay, so first we are going to use this state diagram as an example. So what does it mean or represent? So in the state diagram, we have the start state or initial state, and then we have the inputs of this for the state, and lastly we have the final state, the double circle. Okay, so based on this state diagram, we can see this is the start state, the initial state, which the arrows come from 0 and then goes to 0 here, and then we have the input, which is A and B, and lastly we have the double circle here, which is the final state. Okay, how do we read the state diagram? So first we read it from the initial state, that is a 0, and then we look at the input, which is A and B, and then we go to the next state. So based on this transition table, we can see first the current state is 0, the initial state, and then we have the input of A that goes into the next state, which is 1. For 0 we have 2 input, the next one is the B input. So first we look at 0, and then the input is B, and then we go to the next state, which is 2. And next we have the state 1. So this state will also have 2 input, which is A that goes into 2, the next state into 2, and input B that goes back into the 1 state. And lastly we have the state 2, which also have the A and B input. So these 2 input also revert back to the B.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Aminul Firdaus. Okay, now I want to present about advantage and disadvantage of finite state machines. Okay, the first advantage of the finite state machine is very simple, easy to visualize the graph, the image or diagram that have been drawn. Okay, and it very simple. We understand the process of the finite state machine that we implement of the algorithm that we use. Okay, the second is it is efficient to implementation is possible, that because all the process of the finite state machine is well known, that the implementation can be easy to do. Okay, third is the theory is well founded and well understood algorithm of the chef. Okay, the theory and finite state machine is very easy to understand for me, and the finite state machine is better understand than other machines such as the finite state machine theory. It is hard, but the finite state machine, the process of the workflow of the process very understood. Okay, the fourth, the advantage is this program popular in computer games for the control of sequence, passing of artificial and natural language. Yes, finite state machine is the simple instruction that can be understood in the process or execution of the process in the any kind of algorithm, because finite machine is use the simple process to execute rather than other machines such as Turing machine, finite automata, or PDA. Okay, the cons of or disadvantage of finite state machine is it is a large state machine can become complex to debug. Yes, because if many process or execution that make in the algorithm, it can be hardly to build or execute the process of the data or any kind of the process. Okay, the second is computationally limited to certain class of problem such as regular expression. Okay, the finite state machine has a limited class to do some complex process rather than the finite automata or PDA or FA, because finite state machine is a simple diagram or simple algorithm than finite automata that have more dynamic for the run the process or execute the process. Okay, the third is the design of finite state machine is fixed at design time, not dynamic. Yes, like I said earlier, it is fixed for certain process, for certain design in algorithm or executor of process, but not dynamic process. Okay, the fourth is the possible procedure control problem due to sequential chaos, loss of data, and flow of control. Yes, because if the sum of the problem that we execute or we run or we control the problem the process, it can be, if the big data have been run or do in the process of the algorithm, it can make the process can be loss of the data, or the sequential of the process can be chaos, or anything can make the process vulnerabilities. Okay, yes. Okay, that's all for the advantage and disadvantage of finite state machine from me.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Aki Columbia Pascal, and I will explain about finite state machine, which my part is explain about the difference. So the difference between a finite state machine and Turing machine. For the finite state machine, as we know, is a computing machine that has a fixed set of possible states. Next, a set of inputs that change the state, and a set of possible outputs. It's also next state is equal to current state and input value. Finite state machine also one of the simplest abstract machines which work on very basic principle. For the example, for finite state machine is we can choose as value machine that need a small computing power. Okay, this is an example flow for the finite state machine, which is a finite automaton require input memory and output memory. For the Turing machine, is a finite state machine plus a tape memory. Each transition may be accompanied by an operation on the tape, like move, read, and write. The main difference between the finite state machine and the Turing machine is about the memory storage and memory access. Next, for the Turing machine, in other words, the Turing machine can remember and analyze the entire series of events that put it in its present state, while a finite state machine cannot do it. Turing machine also being able to perform all the computations that a finite state machine can. For the example, for Turing machine is can be any algorithm which is need highest computing power. For the Turing machine flow is